3 fastest animals on the planet. Number 1. The peregrine falcon, the fastest creature alive. In a dive, it hits 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a race car. Number 2. The cheetah, the fastest land animal, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. That's like a Ferrari, with fur. Number 3. Sailfish, underwater champion. The sailfish slices the ocean at 68 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour. It's like a sword, with a turbo. Blink and they're gone. Which one blew your mind the most? Subscribe for more wild animal facts.